47 minus 19. 47 minus 19. 28. 28 square. That's your answer. Square root of 1369. Square root of 1369. 30. Square root of 784. Answer ends with 6 or not? How many options? In those two options, 28 is 7 multiple or not? Fourth option your answer. Answer ends with 6. Two options are there. 28 is 7 multiple. Second option is not 7 multiple. So we can say answer is fourth option. Yes or no? A power m into a power n. A power m plus n. 13 plus 9. మాట్లాడాలి 17 power 22. 17 into 17 into 17. 17 cube. 17 cube. A power m whole power n. A power mn. 17 power 3 whole power 6. 17 power 18. A power m by a power n. A power m minus n. 22 minus 18. 4 your answer. Two 772 divided by 42 into 6. Don't do any calculations. What is 2 6? Please respond. 12. Denominator ends with 2 or not? 2 became 2 means into 1 or into 1 or into 6. Answer ends with either 1 or 6. Ending with 6 option unda? Ending with 1. How many options? 2 options lo fifth option aye chance unda? మాట్లాడాలి 42 6 times 6 40 times plus 2 times 6 40 times 240 plus 2 times 12 total 252 or not? So 252 11 times only nearby 2772 or not? So answer is 11 or else directly we can say that numerator is 11 multiple or not? 2 plus 7 9. 7 plus 2 also 9. 9 minus 9 0. Numerator is 11 multiple. Do you have any 11 multiple in denominator? No. Answer definitely 11 multiple. Only one option, fifth option. Only one option, fifth option. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. 42.5 plus 13.5. 56 into 42.5 minus 13.5. 29. Last digit verification. 6 9s are. Answer ends with how many options? That's your answer. Second option. Last digit verification. 6 9s are 54. Answer ends with 4. Second option. 12876 by 111 equal to square root of question mark. Triple one. 1 time triple one. Left with 17 or not? 177. 177 means again 1 time triple one. Left with 66 or not? Triple six. Triple six means triple one 6 times. Square root of question mark equal to 116. Then question mark equal to 116 whole square. 116 whole square. How much more than 100? 16 more than 100. 116 plus 16. 132. 16 square 256. Answer is 13456. Yes or no? What is square root of 6084? 78 divided by 13 whole square. 13 how many times? 6 square, 36 your answer. Split it and then subtract it. Split it and then subtract it. 64 minus 60. 64 minus 60. 400. 4 means 400. 29 minus 38. Minus 9. 29 minus 38. Minus 9. 400 minus 9. 390 divided by 23. Last digit verification. 3 became 1 means 3 become 1 means into 7. Answer ends with 7 or not? How many options? Only one option, that's your answer. Last digit verification. Last 2 digit verification. 0.23, 0.7 means 0.3 or not? 0.23, 0.7 means 0.3. 0.3 minus 0.65 means minus 0.35 or not? 0.3 minus 0.65 will give us minus 0.35. Negative value kabatti carry 1. 1 minus 0.35 means 0.65 or not? Answer ends with 0.65. How many options? That's your answer. Third option. 1 minus 0.35 ante 0.65. 12 into question mark equal to 3036 divided by 22. 22 ones are 22. Remaining 83. 22 threes are 66. Remaining 17. 176 and 22 8 times. 12 one time 18. 12 one time 0.12 5 times. What's your answer? 11.5. 11.5. 7 how many times? 9 times. 17 how many times? 4 times. 4 9 times plus 4 1 time total 4 10 times agada. Enta 40. 4 9s 36 plus 4 anna okate ledante 4 9 times plus 1 time ante total 4 10 times 40. Square root of 441. 20. Move it to right side. 39 minus 21. 39 minus 21. 18. Squaring on both sides. 18 square. 324. 324 minus 204. What is 324 minus 204? 120 your answer. 324 minus 204, 120. 1727 times. 1727 times. 1720 times plus 7 times. 1720 times 340. 1720 times 340. 17 7 times 119. 340 plus 119. 459. 459. 459 minus 209 will give us 250 or not? Equal to 5 cube means 125. 125 how many times 250? How many times? Answer is 2. Answer is 2. 9 by 14 minus 4 6 by 14 equal to question mark. 3 by 7 ni 6 by 14 ga రాయొచ్చా లేదా? Multiply with 2 by 2. 9 minus 4 5. 9 by 14 minus 6 by 14 అమ్మా That's your answer. 5 3 by 14. 5 3 by 14. Yes or no? Move this minus 45 into right side, became plus 45. 27 plus 45, 72. 6 how many times 72? 6 how many times 72? 12 times 120 your answer. 120 your answer. (39) and 52 children visited a book fair on Friday and Saturday respectively. If the number of children who visited the book fair was 30% and 26% of number of adult who visited the book fair on Friday and Saturday, how many adult visited the book fair on both the days together? How many children? 39. In terms of percentage, that is how much percent? 30% equal to 39. Total 100% is 130 or not? 13 times 39 kadamma. Whereas 52 children, in terms of percentage, 26. 26% equal to 52. Total is 100%. 200. Total adults are how much? Means 130 plus 200. What is 130 plus 200? 330 your answer. 130 plus 200, 330 your answer. Next. A jar contains a mixture of milk and water where quantities of milk was 18 liters more than that of water. If 2 liters each of milk and water is added, the new respective ratio between the quantities of milk and water become 2:1. What was the initial quantity of milk in the jar? లాజికల్గా ఆలోచించండి, సింపుల్గా ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఇనీషియల్ క్వాంటిటీలో మిల్క్ ఈజ్ హౌ మెనీ లీటర్స్ మోర్ దాన్ వాటర్? 18 liters more than water. Means difference among milk and water is 18. Difference between milk and water is 18. In between we added how many liters of milk? How many liters of water? Please respond. 2 liters of milk, 2 liters of water were added. Equal quantities of milk, equal quantities of water added. It means again difference also 18 or not? Initial difference is 18. In between equal quantities were added, means again difference also how much? 18 only. Ratio 2:1. 2 parts minus 1 part. 1 part value 18 liters. 2 parts value 36. 36 liters is the final milk. 36 liters is the final milk. We added how many liters in between? 2 liters in between we added and then it become 36. What is initial milk ante? 36 minus 2? That's your answer. 36 minus 2, 34 your answer. Yes or no? కొంచెం ఆలోచించండి అంతే. లేదంటే మళ్ళీ ఇనీషియల్గా మిల్క్ తెలియదు, వాటర్ ఎక్స్ అనుకుంటారు. మిల్క్ 18 ఎక్స్ట్రా కాబట్టి ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 18. మధ్యలో 2 liters యాడ్ చేశారు, +2 +2. ఈ రెండింటికి రేషియో ఎంత అన్నారు ఫైనల్గా? 2:1. ఆ రామాయణం అంతా చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్. While traveling upstream for 6 hours, a boat covers 12 kilometers more than the distance covered downstream in 3 hours. If the stream's speed is 4 kilometers per hour, what is boat's speed in still water? 6 hours upstream. Upstream means m plus s or m minus s? M minus s. 6 into m minus s. That is upstream distance is 12 kilometers more than distance covered downstream in 3 hours. Downstream means m plus s or m minus s? 3 hours ante 3 into m plus s. Difference between these two distances they given 12 kilometers. 12 kilometers. 6m minus 6s minus 3m minus 3s equal to 12. What is 6m minus 3m? 3m. Minus 6s minus 3s? Minus 9s equal to 12. Already we know s value they given. What is s value? Speed of the stream means s, right? S value given 4. 3m equal to, what is 9 into 4? 36. 12 plus 36. 12 plus 36. 48. From this still water speed is 16. Still water speed is 16. Yes or no? Next. An interest of 2,520 rupees is earned when m rupees is invested for 2 years in scheme A, offering compound interest compounded annually at the rate of 10% per annum. What is the value of 0.8 m? Per 1 year 10% means 2 years compound interest 21% they given as 2,520. Principal means by default 100%. 21 ones are 21, 42, 21 2 times. 1% value 120 means 100% value. How much? 12,000. But they don't ask us 100%. They are asked to find us just 0.8 means 80%. They just ask us 0.8 means 80% is how much? What is 80% of 12,000? 9,600 your answer. They don't ask us 100%, they just ask us 80%. 80% of 12,000 will give us 9,600. Next. Working together X and Y complete 25% of a given task in 6 days. 25% in 6 days means complete task in 24 days or not? 25% means 1/4 kada andi. 1/4 in 6 days, complete part in 24 days. Evaru? Matladali. X and Y. Y working alone takes 50% more time than X to complete the task. What fraction of this task will Y completed in 42 days? X and Y. Y alone takes 50% more time than X. If X is 100%, Y 150%. Time ratio 2:3. What ratio? Time ratio 2:3. Time ratio 2:3 means efficiency ratio 3:2. Time ratio 2:3 means efficiency ratio 3:2. What is the meaning of efficiency? 1 day work. What is the meaning of efficiency and day? Per day work. In 1 day X can do 3 units, Y can do 2 units. Together can do 5 units in a day. Together completes the work in how many days? 24 days. Per day 5 units. 24 days means 24 5 times. How much? 120 units. Per day 5 units. In 24 days they together can complete 120 units. That is total work. Coming to the question. Y can do what fraction of the work in 42 days? In 42 days. Y can do how many units in 1 day? Please respond. Please respond. 2 units in 1 day. Then in 42 days, Y can do 42 2 times. How much? 84 units y can do out of 120. What fraction means 12? 7 times 12, 10 times. 7 by 10 your answer. Yes or no? 84 ఎలా వచ్చింది అమ్మా 42 into 2. 120 ఎలా వచ్చింది 24 into 5. Next. Two types of rice, type 1 and type 2, were mixed in the respective ratio of 3:5. The mixture was then sold at 62.48 per kg to gain a profit of 30%. If the price of type 1 rice is 38 rupees per kg, what is the price of type 2 rice per kg? Type 1 rice is 38 rupees. Type 2 rice we don't know, take it as X rupees. And the mixer selling price given 62.4. But 38 is cost price of the first quantity. X rupees also cost price of second type. So we need to consider cost price of the mixture only. All the three variables should be in same units. Then only we can apply alligation rule. First type, second type, రెండు కూడా కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ కాబట్టి మనం మిక్సర్ కూడా ఏం తీసుకోవాలి కాస్ట్ ప్రైసే కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. బట్ దే గివెన్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ ద మిక్సర్ గివెన్ 62.4. By selling at 62.4, there is a profit of 30%. Profit means selling price is 130% equal to 62.4. Cost price of the mixture means by default 100%. 48. 13 4s are 52. Remaining 104 means 8 times. Yes or no? Cost price of the mixture is 48. Apply alligation method. What is 48 minus 38? 10. But the final ratio they given. What is the ratio given? 3:5 is the ratio they given. If 5 parts value 10, 5 parts value 10, 3 parts value, how much? So x is 6 more than 48. X is 6 more than 48. What is 48 plus 6? 50. That's your answer. Reverse alligation. X is 6 more than 48. 48 plus 6, 54. Or else you can do 3 kg into 38 rupees plus 5 kg into x rupees equal to total 8 kg into 48. There also you can find x value. 8 kg ఎలా వచ్చింది 3 plus 5. That's also you can do that. Next one. 70 people attended a concert. Tickets for children were sold for 37 rupees each and tickets for adult were sold for 42 rupees each. If 2,825 rupees was collected in ticket money, what is the difference between number of children and number of adult who have attended the concert? Think logically. How many members are there? 70 members are there. In that 70, some of them are children, some of them are adult. Children ticket cost is 37, adult ticket cost is 42. Let us assume if all these 70 members are adult, if all these 70 members are adult, then the amount will be 2,940 or not? 70 into 42. 70, 40 times 2800, 2 times 140. 2800 plus 140, how much? 2,940. If all of those are adult, amount is 2,940. But what is the actual amount we have? 2825. How much extra amount we got there? How much extra we obtained? 115. Why we got 115 rupees extra means because we assume children's also as adult. We assume children's also as adult. మనం చిల్డ్రన్స్ని కూడా అడల్ట్గా అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి ఎంత ఎక్స్ట్రా వచ్చింది? 115 ఎక్స్ట్రా వచ్చింది. వాట్ ఈస్ చిల్డ్రన్ టికెట్? అడల్ట్ టికెట్. If we assume children ticket as adult ticket, how many rupees extra? How many rupees? 5 rupees extra. If we assume one children as one adult, extra 5 rupees. But here extra how many rupees? 115 rupees extra. For 5 rupees one children. For 115 rupees means how many children are there? 23 children are there. Yes or no? Total how many members? 70. Out of 70, 23 are children. Means rest of them are adult or not? Adults are 47. Difference between adult and children means 47 minus 23. What is 47 minus 23? That's your answer. 47 minus 23. 24 your answer. Yes or no? Next. The digit in the tens place of a 2-digit number is 4 more than in the units place. Sum of x means sum of the number, and the number formed when its digits are reversed is 110. What is the value of x? Follow with option method. What is first option? If it is reversed, total sum is 88 only, but the sum should be 110. Second option, 95. If it is reversed, 59. Total sum is 154, but the sum should be 110, right? Not your answer. Third option, if it is reversed, total sum is verified or not? That's your answer. A man covered half of his journey at y kilometers per hour and the remaining at 4y kilometers per hour. If his average speed of the entire journey was 28.8, what is the value of y? First half of the journey and remaining half of the journey, both cases distance is same. If in both cases distance is same, what is average speed formula? 2ab by a plus b. That average speed they given as 28.8. First half of the distance, next also half of the distance, both cases distance is same. Then average speed formula 2ab by a plus b. 2 into first y kilometers per hour and the remaining 4y kilometers per hour. Y plus 4y, 5y equal to 28.8. Y get cancelled. What is 2 4s? 8y equal to 28.85 times. What is 28.85 times? 5 times కావాలన్నప్పుడు 10 times తీసుకొని హాఫ్ చేస్తారు అంతే. 28.8 10 times. 28.8 10 times. 288. అందులో హాఫ్ 144. Then what is y value? How much? 18 your answer. Next, see. Inlets A and B can fill an empty tank completely in 10 hours and 30 hours respectively. Both of the inlets are open simultaneously. There was a leakage in the tank, due to which it took 1 hour 30 minutes more to got filled. In how many hours can this leakage empty the full tank? Can this leakage empty the full tank? A and B together can fill the tank in how many hours? 10 hours and 30 hours. Suppose if both the tanks are open together, how much time it takes? Let's find out. 1 by 10, 1 by 30. What is LCM? 30. 10 3 times 31. 4 by 30. Means 2 by 15 or not? It means the tank gets filled in 15 by 2 hours. The tank gets filled in 7.5 hours if only A and B are opened. Only A and B are opened, it gets filled in 7.5 hours. But due to leakage, it takes 1.5 hour extra. Due to leakage, it takes 1.5 hour extra. Means total how much time? 9 hours. 7.5 hours lo fill avvalsindi. Due to leakage, it takes 1 hour 30 minutes more, means 1.5 hour extra. Total how much andi? 9 hours. A plus B and leakage all together will take 9 hours. Why minus? Leakage means we'll empty the tank. That's why it is minus. Already we know A and B together can fill the tank in 7.5 hours or not. So 1 hour work is 2 by 15 minus 1 by 9 equal to 1 by leakage. You just find leakage value. A and B together can fill the tank in 15 by 2 hours. 1 hour work is 2 by 15. 1 hour work is 1 by 9. So 2 by 15 minus 1 by 9. LCM 45 or not? 15 3 times 3 2s are 6. 9 5 times. 6 minus 5. 1 by 45 means leakage alone can empty the tank in how many hours? 45 hours. Leakage alone can empty the tank in 45 hours. Next. Table given below shows the number of male and female employees in 5 different companies, male and female. What is the average number of female employees in companies C, D and E together? C, D and E together. 300, 800, 1100, 400. Matladali. 1500. Average means by 3 or not? 1500 by 3. Very toughest question. Next. Difference between total male employees in companies B and C together and female employees in company E. Total male employees in companies B and C 200, 400, 600. Female employees in E 400. 600 minus 400, 200. Total male employees in companies A, B, C together. A, B, C together. 500, 200, 400. Amma? 1100. Is approximately what percent lesser than female employees in companies A, B, D? 250, 350? Huh? 600, 800? 1400. Percentage less means? Percentage less means? Difference by? Percentage less ఎలా రాస్తారండి? Difference by more value. Difference by more value. అదే percentage more అయితే difference by less value. Approximately how much percent? 21% or not? 10% 140, 20% 280, 1% 14, 21% 294, which we have 300 only, approximately 21%. Ratio between male employees in D and E together. D and E male employees 250, 750, and female employees in B and E together 250, 400. B and E 350, 400, 750. 25 4 times 25 3 times 4:3. Total number of employees in company C is how much lesser than total number of employees in company E? Company C total employees 400, 300. Company E total employees 750, 400, 1150. Difference 450. Difference how much? 450. Difference 6, 16, 26, 10 gap kada. 6 plus 10, 16 plus 10, 26 plus 10, 36 plus 10, 46. 316 minus 46, 270. One time minus, one time, every time minus అయ్యి కదా. So what is 316 minus 46 అండి? 270 your answer. Difference 11, 7, 5, 3. ఏం రావాలి? ఏ బేస్ చేసుకొని 1 చెప్పారు. ఆడైతే 9 రావాలిగా. ఆడైతే 9 రావాలిగా. ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ అయితే ఏం రావాలి? 2 రావాలిగా. 57 ప్లస్ 2 50. మరి ఆప్షన్ లేదుగా. మరి ఆప్షన్ లేదు కదా అండి. చెప్పండి ఒకసారి డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? 11, 7, 5. అదే ఎలా వచ్చింది చెప్పండి ఏంటన్నా నేను. 3 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2, 3 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2, 2 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1, 2 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 1, తర్వాత 1 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 0. 1 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 0 అంటే 1. 57 ప్లస్ 1 58. యాక్చువల్ లాజిక్ అయితే అది, బట్ ఎగ్జామ్లో అంత డిఫికల్టీగా ఏమి ఇవ్వడు. ప్రింటింగ్ మిస్టేక్ అది. ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ కాన్సెప్టే చూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ డిఫరెన్స్ 2, 6 అమ్మా 12 అమ్మా తర్వాత 30 ఆర్ నాట్ కాదా. 1 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1, 2 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2, 3 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 3, 4 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 4, తర్వాత 5 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 5, 5 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 5 అంటే 30. 46 ప్లస్ 30 76. లేదా డిఫరెన్స్ అమాంగ్ డిఫరెన్స్ అయినా తీసుకోవచ్చు. డిఫరెన్స్ అయినా తీసుకోవచ్చు. 2, 6 గ్యాప్, 6, 12, 12, 20, తర్వాత 10 కదా. 20 ప్లస్ 10 అంటే 30 కదా. డిఫరెన్స్ అమాంగ్ డిఫరెన్స్ అయినా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఆర్ ఎల్స్ 1 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1, 2 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2, 3 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 3, 4 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 4, తర్వాత 5 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 5. నెక్స్ట్ 4, 27, 60, 16. 4 అంటే 2 స్క్వేర్ అమ్మ, 3 క్యూబ్, 4 స్క్వేర్, 5 క్యూబ్ అంటే 125. 123 ప్లస్ 125 248 యువర్ ఆన్సర్. 2 స్క్వేర్, 3 క్యూబ్, 4 స్క్వేర్, 5 క్యూబ్, 6 స్క్వేర్. by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6. 600 by 6 అంటే 100 యువర్ ఆన్సర్. Thank you.